When it comes down to harvesting your swan gourd, once it reads the shape or the size or looking like a swan gourd, that's perfect. Or if you look closer to the fruit and then you see that tendril right there too, if that's starting getting brown, that's a good sign. And what you want to do, you just come right here and you just make one simple cut, and then beautiful swan gourd. So basically, swan gourd is the family of the bottle gourds, and they're considered a speckled bottle gourd, which is the speckled swan gourd. And I had many bottle gourds before, and they're really delicious. And you guys could go ahead and eat this, or you could use it as decoration. So what people do, normally they'll leave it in a room temperature where it's not too hot or not too cold. They'll leave it for 6 months, even longer, and it will dry and turn hard. And you could like design, you could make bird home, you could make a cup. So I saw people make like tons of stuff with this. So you could make like coffee cup or something, or a pipe. The best time to grow these in late summer, early fall. They'll grow really good. But we started early, and for some reason it grew really fast. It just started running. Make sure you plant them, you have space in your garden, because these guys run really far. They run like pumpkins, so they'll run far. They're heavy feeders, so you got to make sure you keep up fertilizer or home compost every 2 weeks. And sometimes the bottle gourd, some of the bees do not pollinate it. I don't know why I had that problem. The bees wouldn't pollinate, so I used to come out every morning or every evening. These flowers open morning and evening. Most other flowers from plants like zucchini plants and stuff, they will open up in the morning. These guys open up twice, so you get 2 chances in one day to hand pollinate them. Once you hand pollinate them, they grow really fast, guys. So beautiful harvest of a swan gourd. Any question, guys, feel free to comment below. And I thank you so much thank you to everyone that's been watching and supporting me, guys. I really appreciate it, and have a great weekend. Hopefully, I do have some zucchini and some other stuff that's grown. I do have to harvest. I just found like a massive one within 2 days. If you're new, guys, welcome to GreenTGarden. Please subscribe for more video. I have a lot of videos in my playlist, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. It's really beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna cut this for a while. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit. I end up giving my pet pig Pepper, so he's gonna be enjoying this.